everybody inside. Today we're gonna pay and sell the ritual code. Okay, let's get started. So we think with those ritual codes, they are easy. Everybody could sell one. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Okay, now let's get started. Damn! My SOR! I got an idea. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back now. Now I sell the virtual code. Okay. Okay, hand her up! Fuck, even this can't work. Fuck. Okay, I hope this will work. Whew. Damn you, Berserker! Damn you! Wait a sec, I just got an idea. Okay, I hope this will work. Okay. Hi, it worked. Now let's tape it up. Boom! Now that's how to solve a virtual cube. Okay, everybody, subscribe and like, and also hit the bell and share that video. Okay, everybody, bye.